Hello. I consider myself a thinker, which some might refer to as an overthinker. However, there's a distinction to be made. Thinkers focus on analyzing facts and ideas. Overthinkers often get caught up in worrying about how others perceive them. In overthinking, a lot of energy is spent on thoughts about social interactions and self-image. Thinkers dig deeper into information, especially when they notice gaps or inconsistencies. They feel a responsibility to highlight any mismatched facts to uphold the truth. Unfortunately, many thinkers have faced challenges for simply bringing uncomfortable truths to light. It's a struggle that can occur daily, and the weight of secrets can feel burdensome. While I may not consider myself to be among the greatest thinkers, I do have a nature that aligns with this mindset. Online content quality. When it comes to online content, it's frustrating to see a lack of values or decency. Platforms are flooded with content, and viewers often find themselves searching for quality videos like insightful or truthful content only to be bombarded with videos that don't meet those standards. For example, when someone wants to share something meaningful, they might have to wait for approval from a group admin. This shows how much poor quality content is out there. It feels like people are being forced to watch things they wouldn't actively choose. There should be a filtering system to help viewers discover content that's valuable, respectful, and authentic. Amid discussions about ambitious projects like reaching Mars, we often see trivial content instead. In digital age, the overwhelming amount of content on social platforms can make it difficult to find meaningful, accurate information. Many users in their search for knowledge often stumble upon misinformation. This is particularly harmful because it spreads quickly, and when we unknowingly share incorrect facts, the repercussions can be significant. Not only can it mislead others, but it can also leave us feeling embarrassed when we realize the information we trusted was false. The shame of spreading incorrect data, especially when it's later exposed, can be overwhelming. It's important to be mindful of the sources we rely on, as going through incorrect information can distort our understanding and, ultimately, will affect people's trust upon us. Focus on uplifting content. We should focus on helping those who are less fortunate and raising awareness about lending a hand to the needy rather than poking fun at them. Spreading false information can seriously mislead viewers, and when they share it with others, it just perpetuates the cycle of misinformation.